Okay guys, so welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a very new and special recipe. So we're going to start by making a healthy smoothie, and all we're going to be using is this spinach, bananas, flax seeds, and some pineapple. We are also going to be using milk, and this is for lactose intolerant people, so this is good for either. I'm going to be making for 2 people, so I'm going to be using 2 bananas. Since it's a recipe for 2 people, I'm gonna be using like half of the pineapple. So I just do it like this to get rid of the bone in the middle. I don't know whether to call it bone, but since we're gonna be blending this, you're gonna be cutting it into finer pieces. This is also another method to make people who don't like eating fruits eat some fruits or have fruits in their body. Okay, so since we're going to be blending and there is only so much that can go in a blender like once, so we're going to be using the banana first because it's soft, so it's not going to work the blade so hard. And then we get the spinach. You put as much as you want. So I guess that will be it for us. So now we can put the pineapples to weigh down the spinach, and then we can add more, maybe more a little bit later. So that's what we do. I'm gonna go right in with the flax seeds, and we're gonna be using 1 tablespoon. We then finish with our milk. You can put as much as you want, and you remember the more you put in, the lighter it's gonna be. So we just put enough. I think that will be plenty. Time to blend. So alongside our smoothie, we're going to be having stuffed biscuits. So this is the brand that we're going to be using. need to see more on food, music, beauty, fashion, DIY, flying, and so much more, kindly hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that every single time we're going to be making an upload, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much for the love and support, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.